Students of MSc Chemistry from semester 1 and respected listener, a very good evening and welcome all of you today's lecture. Students of MSc Chemistry of semester 1, I will deliver today a very special important topic. I will deliver today my lecture on the topic I have mentioned on the blackboard. General introduction, basic concept of velocity of directions and methods determining of rate law. Students of, I will teach you today about the topic I have mentioned on the blackboard, which is selected from paper 3 physical chemistry, chosen from unit 3rd, titled as that is of chemical dynamics. Once again, topic selected from today's lecture, paper 3 physical chemistry, selected from unit 3, titled as that is of chemical dynamics. First of all, the today's lecture topic is divided into its further two kinds. First of all, that is of a general introduction, basic concept of that is of CD. CD means that is of chemical dynamics and methods of determining of rate laws. So second topic we will deliver later on after the discussion, complete awareness of basic concept, introduction of chemical dynamics. It's few part, some part we have delivered in the classroom in our previous video, in which we were defining about the definition of chemical dynamics. Once again, I repeat its definition, chemical dynamics. First of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice and focus on our previous video, last video, based on that is of chemical dynamics, in which why the need of chemical dynamics is beneficial to explain the mechanism, structure, variation, changing of concentration of either of the reactant and product with respect to timing here. Obviously, the chemical dynamics, the branch of physical chemistry, which is mainly gives us the necessary fundamental equation about structure, mechanism, velocity of the reaction, by all means with the variation and changing of concentration of reactant and product by means of initial and final state with respect to timings here. Such a branch of the physical chemistry is known as that is of a chemical dynamics. Students of MSc Chemistry of semester 1 of physical chemistry, in overall the progress, the kinetics of any kinds of reaction, first order of reaction, second order of reaction, third order of reaction, overall the kinetics based and extremely depending upon the velocity of the reaction, or that is of a rate of the reaction. Velocity of the reaction and that is of rate of the reaction, both are the same term here. So first of all, it becomes essential to define about the velocity of the reaction. Students generally their opinion about the velocity of the reaction and velocity both are the same, but first of all, the velocity which is actually used in physics, the branch of the science, while velocity of the reaction is used in physical chemistry, especially for that is of chemical dynamics or chemical kinetics here. In velocity, which is defined the variation of displacement or distance with respect to timing is known as that is of velocity, and it is expressed meter per that is of second, its unit meter per second, kilometer per second, etc. While on the other hand, in order to define the velocity of the reaction, the variation of changing of concentration of either of the reactant or product with respect to timing here, to give the definition of velocity of the reaction. Furthermore, for the description or in order to explain detailed form about dimension and units and how the value of reactant and product for every reactant and products will be calculated, the value of velocity of the reaction. For this purpose I chose here a very common example in which 1 mole of A reacts 1 mole of B to produce 1 mole of C, and that is of 1 mole of D. Say that is equation number 1. Here A and B act as that is of reactant and C and D denote as that is of product. Now question is set. In various competitive examination in NET, JRF, medicals and various kinds of engineering competitive examinations, calculate the value of velocity with respect to A, with respect to B, C and D. The students get confused, students do not respond exactly. So let us try to solve this problem one by one here. During the progress of the reaction here, the kinetic dynamic profile actually has been shown in that is a figure 1, in which the kinetic profile, kinetic curve, dynamic curve is plotted between two important quantities, that is of concentration and that is of timing. Here concentration is chosen as, and that is of ordinate, I mean to say on that is of y-axis, and time is selected, is chosen as, and that is of abscissa, I mean to say on that is of axissa. During the progress of the reaction, students of MSc in chemistry, firstly at t is equals to 0 timing here, the concentration of reactant A and B passes as that is of maximum its concentration here. So the reaction or that is of dynamic or curve will be started from that is of its maximum point, and t is equals to 0 since 0 concentration of the product is formed here. So that is of the kinetic curve or that is of kinetic profile of the curve with respect to product will start from that is a minimum point. As the reactions move in forward direction, various kinds of the chemical phenomenon, chemical activities actually have been reported in that is of a chemical vessels here. During the progress of the reaction, as reaction move in forward direction, in such a position the concentration of reactant A and B decrease, so negative sign will be used with respect to that is of reactant A and that is of with respect to that is of reactant B. On the other hand, the concentration of C and D increase, so obviously positive sign will be used here. Suppose we consider here Ca, Cb, Cc and Cd denote here the concentration of Ca, Cb, Cc, Cd, A, B, C and D respectively. In such a position, during the progress of the reaction, the concentration of A decrease and the concentration of B decrease, negative sign both of the reactant A and B are used here, and the concentration C and D increase, so positive sign will be used here. Now by applying the mathematical that is of concept operations d by dt, in our previous video we have calculated the value of velocity of the reaction with respect to A minus dc upon dt and with respect to B minus dcb upon dt, and Cc and that is of D. Here the rate of the reaction that is of plus dcc upon dt I have mentioned on the blackboard here, increasing the concentration of C upon timing plus dcc upon dt. So equation number 4. Similarly, the rate of D plus dcd upon that is of D, say equation number 5. In every mean by every means regarding to that is of reactant and product, we have calculated the value of velocity of the reactions here. Now it becomes essential what is the unit and dimension for velocity of the reaction or rate of the reactions here. The students exactly when they are studying about the chemical dynamics but they don't know about the dimension and unit of velocity of the reaction here in higher classes in MSc they admit, but they are basically unaware about the basic conceptual general introduction of that is of chemical dynamics here. So now second part of the introduction and basic concept of CD chemical dynamics here. Let us try to solve this problem here. Here I have mentioned the topic next one, that is of dimension and unit of ROR, rate of the reaction and velocity of the reactions here. First of all, students of MSc Chemistry or Physical Chemistry of semester 1, first of all, I would like to distinguish between velocity and velocity of the reactions. The opinion of all the students of MSc, generally it is the opinion that velocity and velocity of the reaction are the same term. But I want to clear the concept in your mind. I want to remove your any kinds of misunderstanding. Velocity is defined in physics branch of the science, while velocity of the reactions is defined in that is of physical chemistry. In physics, velocity is used maximum part to solve the problem here, while in physical chemistry the velocity of the reactions are used to solve the operation and mechanism of the chemical reactions here. Now velocity is simple formula, simple definition you have studied in lower classes. The variation or change of displacement or distance with respect to timing is known as, that is the velocity of the reaction, velocity which is expressed further, that is of meter per second or kilometer per second or minute as per units which we are actually using here. While on the other hand, velocity of the reaction is defined, one can define the variation, the change of concentration with respect to timing here is known as, that is the velocity of the reaction. So students of MSc Chemistry, velocity and velocity of the reactions both are the different term here. Now today I will define, let us deliver our lecture, the dimension and unit of rate of the reactions here. From equation number, here, from equation number 2, 3, 4 and 5. The common formula expression regarding to the velocity of the reactions come out here, that is of rate is equals to concentration upon timing. Concentration upon timing, my question to all of the students of MSc Chemistry, concentration upon timing, it denotes, it defines the dimension and unit of velocity of the reaction. The student totally unaware, they are totally confusion in position. So they don't respond about the exact answer about dimension and unit. So basically the quantity which we are going to define, it will be basically denote us to give us about the value that is of a dimension here. The rate is equals to concentration upon timing here from equation number 2, 3, 4 and 5. After removing negative sign and positive sign, basically the concept term quantity we defined around the velocity of the reaction definition depending upon, that is of the variation, the rate of change of concentration with respect to time is known as, that is of velocity of the reaction. Once again I repeat, I define the definition of, that is the velocity of the reaction or rate of the reaction, the variation or changing of either of the reactant and product with respect to the concentration with that is of timing is known as, that is of velocity of the reaction. See here, change of, first of all, definition of velocity of the reaction, change of concentration of reactant or product with respect to timing is known as, that is of velocity of the reaction. Now second one, the measure quantity, we choose concentration divisible by that is of timing, concentration variation with respect to timing here. So I have chosen here, that is of rate is equals to concentration divisible by that is of timing. It will give the quantity, the thing, it is known as, that is of dimension here. Now we substitute the units. Concentration is measured in terms of mole per liter, mole liter inverse, and time is expressed in terms of second, minute, hour, year, week. These are the various parts to express, to represent the identity of that particular quantity here, hour, year, minute, second. These are the various identities to define the value of timings here. So here rate is equals to mole liter inverse second upon mole liter inverse, that is of second inverse, it is the unit here. So students, MSc previous concentration upon timing is defined here in terms of dimension. And next one, when we substitute the identity of these quantities, mole per liter of concentration and timing in second, mole liter inverse second inverse, it will give the value of, that is, of unit. Another one example I define here for the distinction of dimension and unit. Suppose I have chosen here mass, it is expressed in terms of dimension, and it will be further expressed in terms of its identity. Means mass will be, identity will be mentioned in terms of, that is, of gram, kilogram. So I meant to say dimension, a unit, these are the first, these are the very, very special quantities which will give the ID proof of that important quantities as our daily to daily routine life. Thank you very much.